Okay, good morning. Now, the first slide, the heart is a hollow conical muscular organ situated in the middle mediastinum and covered by pericardium. Now, you already know Dil ka Dharkan, and your heart rate and everything increases, and it is one of the most powerful organ of the human body because it from when there is embryogenesis and the fetal pole, then after that, if there's some pulsation in a tube also. Now, in organogenesis, if a lady comes with, say, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks, then there might be a gestational sac, but no fetal pole, no pulsation after doing any USG. So, since that time, the goes pumping. Of course, the modification, the organogenesis, the chambers, and the development of the great vessels and your atrium, ventricles, and then it's an organ that has to be supplied, and also the chambers develop. Naturally, today now the heart is a hollow repetition, conical muscular organ situated in the middle mediastinum and covered by pericardium. Now, this is the picture where the sternum and the middle mediastinum, you can see the position of the heart. This is the heart. Now, at most of the time, you will be seeing heart on the left side, but occasionally it can be on the right side, and that feature is known as dextrocardia. I have a collection in the department of a radiograph or X-ray chest that the dextrocardia we have it in our collection. So please, when you do the radiology and the plate is given, now you see that RL, in the radiograph, the R symbol, it is typed in your X-ray plate. So please note this. Don't think that it is a plate, X-ray plate turned the right sided is turned and make it in the left. So you have to keep in mind that the heart in the descriptive form in most of the part is on the left side in the mediastinum, but there can be occasions where your heart can be placed on the right side. That I want to make it clear to you that we have an X-ray plate, and there are chances, most of the time, that will be put up in your exam. So don't have an obsession or दिमाग में ऐसे लगा दिया कि नहीं हार्ट तो लेफ्ट साइड में होता है, कैसे घुमा दिया एग्जामिनर, कोई ट्रिक प्ले कर रहा है कि नहीं है. So please just keep it in mind, I'm saying. And now this is the surface marking of this is point A, point C, and this is the point D, the apex of the heart, and point B. Now you can see the beautiful picture, and see this is the right ventricle. These are the fat in the anterior interventricular sulcus, the left ventricle, the right atrium, right auricle of right atrium, superior vena cava, and ascending aorta, arch of the aorta, descending aorta, ligamentum arteriosum, left pulmonary artery, pulmonary trunk, the auricle of the left atrium. Now, you will see have lots of specimen in the heart. You please see it at Vivek. If they want to see the heart, then you please ask him. He will give it to you. We have number of specimens. Okay. Now, a heart, a man like a big wrestler or a weightlifter, with a big body, might have a heart as such small. But a person like me, not going to the gym or anything, but Vivek goes to the gym. Okay. Now, I might have a small heart. The organ might be small, but I have a big heart. As I can claim that I have a big heart. Anyway, now it is just simple. The organ will be given to you. You hold it in anatomical position first in the left apex directing left side and hold it. And then you say this is heart and go on describing. Or with the pointer or stick, we'll ask you the arch of the aorta, then what are the vessels, that is that you will be reading. Okay. Now, the posterior aspect, you can see the left subclavian artery, the left common carotid and brachiocephalic trunk, the arch of the aorta, arch of the azygos vein, and ligamentum arteriosum. This is the right pulmonary artery, this is the left pulmonary artery, the superior inferior left pulmonary veins, superior inferior right pulmonary veins. Now, this is the inferior vena cava, and you see the great cardiac vein is here, and this is the coronary sinus, the left posterior ventricular vein, the right small cardiac vein, right coronary artery is here, and this is the middle cardiac with posterior interventricular artery, and there's anterior interventricular artery, the posterior view. This is the posterior view. I'll just go back. This is the anterior view. You make the difference. You see, this is simple on the anterior this thing. But if you just turn it, you see this. Now, points to note. Now, apex formed only by the left ventricle. Base formed only by two atria. These are it can be a short note or short question. Okay. And your right border formed only by right atrium. Diaphragmatic surface formed only by two ventricles. Points to note, apex formed only by left ventricle, base formed only by the two atria, right border formed only by right atrium, diaphragmatic surface formed only by two ventricles. 2/3 and 1/3 features, 2/3 and 1/3 features. Base formed by 2/3 of the left atrium, 1/3 by the right atrium. Base is formed by 2/3 of the left atrium and 1/3 by right atrium. Diaphragmatic surface, 2/3 by the left and 1/3 by the right ventricles. Now, base is formed by the atrium. Base is formed by the atrium, left atrium and right atrium, 2/3, 1/3. Diaphragmatic surface, that is staying in the diaphragm, resting on the diaphragm, that is 2/3 left and 1/3 right ventricle. Sternocostal surface, 2/3 right and 1/3 left ventricle. The right atrium, now you see the right atrium, the right margin formed by the rounded surface of the right atrium, the superior vena cava, this is the pulmonary aorta, this is the aorta, and this is the pulmonary trunk, left atrium, this is the left atrium, left pulmonary veins, right ventricles, left ventricles. Now left margin formed by the rounded surface of the left ventricle, the apex formed by left ventricle, this is the left ventricle, and you see the inferior border separating the sternocostal and diaphragmatic surface, this inferior border. Now the right margin formed with the rounded surface of the right atrium. Now this is important. And now these are the heart is opened to show you the opening of the superior vena cava, crista terminalis, the right atrium of tendon of Todaro, limbus fossa ovalis, this is limbus fossa ovalis, musculi pectini, these are the muscles of the valves, opening in inferior vena cava with valve, opening of coronary sinus valve, this is, and triangle of Koch, and this is the inferior papillary muscles, anterior papillary muscles, and the septomarginal trabeculae, superior ventricular crest, this is pulmonary orifice with semilunar cuffs. Now this part, the papillary muscles, the heart, when it is open in the specimen, you can see it is like this, pyramids, and then it pulls, it contracts, pulls. So the valve opens and it goes inside the chambers. Now you can see the muscles, rough part of the wall. This is internally, you can see. And this is the border of the oval fossa ovalis. Crista terminalis is this is the cristae, and valve of coronary sinus, opening of coronary fossa and sinus. This is superior vena cava, and you can see the inferior vena cava and valve, right atrioventricular orifice. This is the right atrioventricular orifice, anterior view, and you see how the superior vena cava and the ova fossalis here, you can say that showed you the specimens. Now you can see the papillary muscles, the valves, and the arch of the aorta, right pulmonary artery, left pulmonary artery. These are the pulmonary veins in green, and these are the pulmonary, and this is the intra-arterial septum. This is the interventricular septum, cavity of the right ventricle, the cavity of the left ventricle. Now, right ventricle. Now, right ventricle, you can see the pericardium. This is opened, like it is covered with pericardium. And if there is any infection, then there is pericarditis, then there will be some problems in breathing, and then even the pumping of the heart becomes a bit slow, and so you have to take care. And the anterior cardiac veins, these veins and pericardium cut off. This is the right coronary artery, this is the left coronary artery, this is the right ventricle, this is the left ventricle. This is the superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, inferior vena cava, left atrium, pulmonary veins which carry blood from the lungs, and left ventricle, the aorta carries blood to the body. This is the aorta, and this goes down here, and goes, when you read, you have seen in thorax, then from the thoracic cavity, it goes to the abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity, it bifurcates and goes to the lower limbs. Now, the tricuspid valve complex. Now, that can be a short note. Tricuspid valve, short note. Okay. Then there can be one full question with, say, mediastinum, middle mediastinum, then tricuspid valve, and arterial supply of the heart. Now you draw this simplified diagram, this, for your exam. Don't make it like this and don't try to draw and paint and shade with crayons and all this. Don't. This gives you a typical picture, and it is, if you can draw and just you're in a hurry, you label it, that will give you 4 marks at least out of 5. But don't leave it blank. তুমি যেমন করে হোক এটা ডাকলে রাখলে, just that is what I'm trying to inject into your brain. Brain injection দেওয়া হয় না, skull खोपड़ी बहुत मोटा है, and you see anywhere you hit, but the skull, it is very difficult. Only the scalp, it bleeds very fast. A small cut, you will see, especially in TV, they are trying to break this thing, barricade of the police, and suddenly one hits, suddenly, dekhun, rokto, blood, so it profusely bleeds. So one thing you do is that you hold it. It can be anterior surface. You can just hold it like this. You could just tie a gamcha, or you won't get gamcha, but you will get your what you say, the chunni, you know. Okay, now, and condition of this is the anterior view. This is the anterior view. See the papillary muscle, septal papillary muscle, the septal cusp. It is like a cusp. It's like this. And that, like this. Okay, you draw like this, label it, that will give you the marks. Okay, now you see the repetition of these pictures, and when you cut open the heart like this, you will see the papillary muscles and the tendinous cords, posterior cusp of tricuspid. Now left atrium, you can see the right pulmonary vein. This is the aorta, this is the pulmonary trunk, oblique vein of atrium, this is the cardiac vein, this is the coronary artery, left branch, this is the middle cardiac vein and right ventricle. Now this is the inferior vena cava. Now left ventricle, you can see the left ventricle, and the right superior vein, right pulmonary veins here, left pulmonary veins, lunate fossa, and this is the myocardium, the anterior cusp mitral valve, posterior cusp of the mitral valve vein, tendinous cords, these are the tendinous cords, papillary muscles, these are the muscles, and this is the trabecular cordae, this is the muscular interventricular septum, and this is the apex of the heart. Now again another view, left anterior oblique view. This is a left anterior oblique view, how it looks. Now one thing is that your cardiac problem is a big problem. Nowadays of different stress and everything is there, or quicker we diagnose, and diagnostics tools are there to come to a conclusion, say from a ECG or your stethoscope. Rely on stethoscope. That is the first thing you have to hunt for echocardiography or your ECG, but you are sure to have your stetho in your pocket. So when you do your clinics, you will first naturally you take the feel the pulse. A patient you to ask, what you are having any problem? Buke betha hoche, paining, I'm having a pain in the chest. Oh, Dr. Babu, আপনার ওটা হার্টের কিছু নয়, ওটা আমার গ্যাস অম্বল হয়, আমি র্যানট্যাক জিনট্যাক এসব খেলাম, তাতেও হচ্ছে না, কিন্তু এখন ব্যথাটা তো এইদিকে যাচ্ছে. When a patient with a massive heart attack. He comes and gasping. And also, but if you tell him that no, you have to go to a hospital, you have to be admitted, they try to deny it. But your clinical knowledge will definitely say this is, now if it is an anginal pain, due to pain, this thing, blood supply to your heart, cardiac muscle is lessened. Then you walk like this, suddenly he is there after 15 minutes. Rapid walk, এটা কি আপনার হাঁটলে বেড়ে যায়, বসে যেতে হয়? Does it increase when you walk fast or you climb stairs? হ্যাঁ ডাক্তারবাবু আমাকে বসে যেতে হয়, I have to sit down. Again he takes some breath, rest. Then this is anginal pain. It goes then into the left arm of the any pain, even in your massive heart attack or coronary heart attack symptom, but there's a different this thing. In anginal pain, if you do a quick test, if you there's a pharmacy or your clinic, you take sorbitrate and put it under the tongue. You slowly that it says better, but you have to diagnose with your stethoscope and your clinical knowledge, and that then the rest thing. Now, fantastic young generations, they are putting up stents. You don't go for this thing. There's a blockage. You're in the vessel. Then they are putting in stents, and that rhythm goes back. And then, of course, there are many even different conditions of pacemakers. All this are being this thing. And in Bardwan, everyone is doing it. In Durgapur, everyone is doing it. A good setup. In even our college, it's expected when you pass out, you will be having a cath lab. Expected nahi, hoga hi, zarur. So you have to see, I told you a good MBBS is a good postgraduate. তোমার clinical knowledge তোমাকে sustain করবে. You please note this point that you can diagnose most of the things. Don't say hand tight, sit hand tight, but you have to be in action, give some drugs. There are beautiful drugs are there. So this can just push him into an ambulance to a big hospital with a big care.